Good morning, children. Welcome to science class. So, in science, we are learning the 18th block, which is air pollution. Yes, so in this, we have learned about what do you mean by air pollution, how the air pollution occurs, and also we have learned about the effects of the air pollution. Isn't it, children? So, in the third topic, we are going to learn the how to reduce the air pollution. Okay, reduce means to make it less. Okay, reducing air pollution. Okay, so please open your science content book, children, and turn to page number 114. 114. Okay, so there you can see reducing air pollution. So there are some ways where we can reduce the smoke so that the air pollution reduces. So let's see, using public transport. So if you use the public transport, that means number of vehicles, number of automobiles on the roads will be reduced. So when the vehicles are reduced, the smoke is reduced. When the smoke is reduced, then the air pollution is also reduced, isn't it, children? So by using public transport, that is the RTC buses or metro stations or MMTS stations, these are local public transport, isn't it? If you use these, the pollution will be little less, it can be reduced. Okay, or you can use carpool. Carpool is nothing but if some people from the same neighborhood are going to same school or same office. So if they have that similarity, so instead of having different vehicles for everyone in that neighborhood, they can have one car and all of them can go in that one car. By this also the vehicles on the road will be reduced, the automobiles on the roads will be reduced, so that the smoke will be reduced and the air pollution will be reduced. And if you are traveling for short distance, okay, so for that places only for short distances, you can either use some bikes. Okay, bike, not the motorbike, I'm telling the bicycle. So if you use the bicycle, then the smoke is not will not come from the bicycles, isn't it, children? It is free from smoke, that is it is a environment friendly vehicle. So we can use either the bike, the bicycle, or you can go by walking. Okay, with that the smoke will be reduced and air pollution will be reduced. And if you see your content book, children, page number 114, there you can see pollution under control certificate. Okay, so this certificate is given to the vehicles. So when the automobile, when a vehicle like motorbike or car, any four-wheeler or three-wheeler or two-wheeler automobile has to be taken onto the road, but before that we need to get this certificate from the government. So which tests a automobile, the our motorcycle or the car, and tells us whether it creates more pollution or less pollution. Because if you see on the road, children, some vehicles, the smoke will be very darker and it will be coming very in the huge amount. That means that vehicle is not did not get that certificate. Okay, it creates more pollution. So if you get that certificate, it means that your vehicle will not produce much of air pollution, much of smoke. Okay, so that is a test done on a vehicle. Okay, so if you have a vehicle, you need to get this certificate from the government, pollution under control. Okay, so these are the some ways. Let's see some other ways. Some other ways is planting more trees. Okay, if you plant more trees, what happens? So what happens is the carbon dioxide, so carbon dioxide is making air pollution, isn't it? The smoke in the carbon dioxide. So if there are more trees, the trees will be absorbing more carbon dioxide. So if they are absorbing more carbon dioxide, so there is no, the carbon dioxide will be less, and the absorbing heat rays and holding it, trapping the whole sun rays will be less. Because of that, global warming also will be less, isn't it? So that's why planting more trees makes the air pollution less. And replacing earthen chullas with gas stoves or fit earthen chalas with chimneys. So chimney is nothing but, can you see here children? So this is chimney. What does this do is, it observes the smoke while we are cooking. Okay, it observes it, by which you can be free from the air pollution in the house. That is, the irritation of eyes, the breathing problems because of the smoke can be reduced, because the chimney observes all the smoke, isn't it children? So because of that, that problems can be reduced. Okay, so these are some of the ways where we can reduce the air pollution. Okay, so I have given few keywords in your daily schedule children. Please learn them, write it in your classwork, and also underline in your content book. Okay, and if you find any other word other than the keywords which I have given in the daily schedule, for you, if it is harder or if you don't know, please underline them, write it in your classwork, and also learn them. It will be beneficial to you only. Okay, coming to your question answers. List three things we can do to reduce air pollution. So use public transport or use a carpool. Invite others to ride in your vehicle, or by walking, or by using the environmental friendly bikes, that is cycles. With these all, the smoke on the roads will be reduced, by which the air pollution will be reduced. Okay, so in that you can write any of your choice. Okay, here I have written, we can walk or cycle more and use less of automobiles, stop using earthen chillas and use gas stoves, use carpool to go to office, or use public transport. Okay, these I have given. Other than that, if you have any other ways to reduce the air pollution, planting trees, that also you can write. So here in the question there are only three things, so I have written these three. Okay, so write this answer in your classwork and please learn it. Coming to your next question, how do trees help in reducing the air pollution? So trees absorb the carbon dioxide, and this carbon dioxide is the major cause of air pollution, isn't it? Because it traps the sun's heat and creating global warming. So it raises the temperature of the earth and causes climate change, and climate affects the amount of crops we can grow. Okay, so write this answer in your classwork and please learn it children. Coming to your homework, complete the volume book 3, page number 12, F3, reducing air pollution. Okay, so in the next class we will learn the next topic children. See you in the next class. Bye.